Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to explain the sounds of language. First, let's start with phonetics. Phonetics is the general study of the characteristics of speech sounds. Humans don't simply produce a random selection of sounds. We have to focus on each individual sound segment within the stream of speech to describe those sounds. Some of the symbols of this alphabet can be used to represent the sounds of English words. We have three types of phonetics. First, articulatory phonetics. We study the sound of how speech sounds are made. Second, we have acoustic phonetics, the physical properties of speech as sound waves in the air. Third, auditory phonetics. It deals with the perception via air of speech sounds. Let's move forward to consonants. We have three types of consonants: voiced and voiceless, place of articulation, and manner of articulation. Let's start with voiced and voiceless. First, put your hand on your throat and say z, z. You feel a vibration, so this is considered as a voiced sound. If you say f, you don't feel any vibration, so this is not considered as a voiced sound. Second, place of articulation. You have to memorize this diagram. We have 8 places of articulations. Let's start with bilabials. Bilabials is formed by using both upper and lower lips, like while saying p, m. Labiodental formed with upper teeth and lower lips, while saying f, v. Alveolar formed with the front part of the tongue on alveolar ridge, while saying t, d, th. Dentals, sound produced when tongue is placed against or near the teeth, like th, th, three, thin. Let's continue with place of articulation. We have another 4. Interdentals, sounds produced with the tongue between the teeth, like this or thing. Palatals, produced in where the alveolar ridge meets the palate, like the sh sound or the sh. Child, child, church, treasure, judge. Velars, sounds produced towards the back of the mouth involving the volume, like king, gag. The volume can be lowered to allow the air to flow through the nasal cavity and produce another velar sound, like thing. Glotals, there is one consonant that is produced without the active use of tongue, like the H sound. Have, hold, the first sound in who and whose. Third and the last one is a manner of articulation, and I consider it my favorite one. First, stops. Put your hand in front of your mouth and say p, d, g. Do you feel any air? So this is considered a stop. You block the airflow and let it go. So p, d. You feel an air, so you consider it as a stop. Fricatives. You almost block the airflow but let it go escape through a narrow gap, like the, sh. Affricates. You combine a brief stop with a fricative. Will you say teacher? So you stop and you have a fricative. Nasals. You lower the volume and let the air flow through the nose, like And the interesting thing, if you block your nose, you won't be able to say and n. I can't say it. Liquids. You raise and curl the tongue and let the air escape through the slits, like Glides. You move the tongue to or from a vowel, like w, j. Thank you for watching and hope you enjoyed my video. And if you have any problem and you don't understand anything, please comment below. I'm going to answer as soon as possible.